Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Steam VR, and Gorilla Tag are up to date, and your headset is connected. Once done, close overlays and background VR utilities that commonly lock files. Next, enable in-game developer logs and set the log level to verbose so detailed entries are captured. You do this because raw logs reveal startup errors and permission issues. Capturing them now prevents wasted restarts later. Make sure file paths and permissions allow Steam to write logs without elevation. Now you collect the logs. Grab Steam's Bootstrap and App logs, Steam VR's VR server and compositor logs, and Gorilla Tag's output log. Once collected, reproduce the issue so the latest entries appear. Then, filter logs by timestamp and search for keywords like access denied, file not found, null reference exception, or asset load failure. These identify the cause. You do this analysis to pinpoint whether it's a permission, asset, or network problem rather than guessing. If needed, copy the error lines for targeted fixes. Finally, apply fixes based on the error type. Run Steam's Verify Integrity for Gorilla Tag, repair or reinstall Steam VR, and run Steam as administrator if permission errors persist. Once done, reset bindings and delete corrupted config files so defaults regenerate. Then restart and test. If the problem remains, boot Steam VR in safe mode and reproduce the issue, then extract the short filtered log excerpt showing the error. Use that excerpt when seeking help so others can diagnose quickly and avoid repeating steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.